Okay, fáilte ráis. Ceacht the lesson 9. Great to have you all back. Quick recap, if you hit the I button, you'll get a link to lesson 1. It's a series of lessons. You'd probably be better starting there. And you're probably bored of me saying it, but you really do need to pause the recording if I ask something, or like say something in English for you to translate it into Irish. Have a think about it, say it out loud, and then you can unpause and hear what I say, and you can work on from there. So, where were we? Can you remember how to say, where are you? Yeah, cá bhfuil tú? Cá bhfuil tú? Where are you going? Cá bhfuil tú agul? Cá bhfuil tú agul? I'm going to Belfast. Tá mé agul go Feirste. I'm going to the cinema. Tá mé agul go Feirste. I'm going to Derry with Padraig. Tá mé agul go Derry le Padraig. Would you like to go to Derry? Or why let go go Derry? I'm going to the beach. Tá mé agul go chara. Would you like to go to the beach with me? Or why let go go chara liom? Well done. So, let's play around with where is a little bit more. How did you say where are you? Cá bhfuil tú? Good. Now, if you want to say where's my pint, you need to know how to say my pint. Do you remember how to say a pint of Guinness? Pint of Guinness. Would you like a pint of Guinness? Or why not pint of Guinness? Good stuff. Now, we're going to say just my pint, and that's going to change the word pinta a tiny bit at the start, and it's going to become finta, muffinta, muffinta. Okay? So how would you say, where's my pint? Cá bhfuil muffinta? Cá bhfuil muffinta? Good stuff. How would you say, bear in mind that burger is going to have a change at the start as well. So that's going to become bhurgar. Okay? Bhurgar, my burger. How would you say, where's my burger? Cá bhfuil bhurgar? Can you remember how to say, I'm hungry? Tá ocras orm. Tá ocras orm. I would like a burger. Bhfuil burger? Where's my burger? Cá bhfuil bhurgar? What about I'm thirsty? Tá tart orm. Tá tart orm. I would like a big pint. Bhfuil pinta more. Where's my pint? Cá bhfuil muffinta. Good stuff. Now, another great word that you can use mu with is chara, and it means friend. Chara. So to say my friend, you change the sound a wee bit at the start and it becomes machara. Machara. How would you say, where's my friend? Cá bhfuil machara? Now, you could address someone by saying, my friend. Just do that again. Yeah. Machara. Where's my pint? Cá bhfuil muffinta? Hey, my friend. Hey, machara. Where's my pint? Cá bhfuil muffinta? Good. Hey, my friend. Hey, my chara. Where's my burger? Call my burger. I'm hungry. Ta ochra sodom. Hey, my chara. Oops. How'd you say my friend? My chara. Good. I'm thirsty. Ta tart orm. Where's my pint? Call my phionta. Now, do you remember we introduced in the last video how to say what did you do as opposed to what are you doing? But let's remember, how do you say what are you doing? G'day tatu yanu. What are you doing? G'day tatu yanu. I'm going to Belfast. Tá má go Feirste. Now, the change in the question, the new question to make it the past tense, what did you do? Can you remember? Yeah. G'day into. G'day into. And yesterday was inye. So how do you say, what did you do yesterday? G'day into inye. Now, to say, not I'm going, but I went to Belfast. Can you remember? Hui me go Feirste. Well done. Hui me go Feirste. Can you say, I went to Derry? Hui me go Derry. I went to Newcastle. Hui me go gCaisleán. I went to the beach. Hui me go chara. I went to the cinema with Myra. Hui me go Feirste le Myra. Good stuff. If you want to just say, I was somewhere, it's very easy. Bhí me. Bhí me. But with bhí me, if you're going to say you were in a place, again, we're going to have some slight changes to the sound of words. So, in Belfast is I Feirste. You've got Belfast, but Feirste. Just repeat it. I Feirste. Good. How do you think you would say then, I was in Belfast? Bhí me in Feirste. Good stuff. Derry for Derry is going to change to nDoire. In nDoire. In nDoire. How would you say, I was in Derry? Bhí me in nDoire. Bhí me in nDoire. Now, how are you going to ask someone, what did you do yesterday? G'day into inye. Answer, I was in Belfast. Bhí me Feirste. I went to the pictures. Hui me go Feirste. Ask again, what did you do yesterday? G'day into inye. I was in Derry. Bhí me in nDoire. And I went to the pictures with Padraig. Agus hui me go Feirste le Padraig. If you want to say in Newcastle, Newcastle was gCaisleán, so we're going to change that to I gCaisleán. How would you say in Newcastle? I gCaisleán. You'll hear I gCaisleán as well. Okay. How would you say, I was in Newcastle and I went to the beach? Bhí mé ag gCaisleán nua agus hui mé go dtí an trá. Well done. Again, how did you ask? What did you do yesterday? G'day into an I was in Belfast and I went to the pictures. Bhí mé mo Feirste agus hui mé go dtí an Feirste. Good stuff. Okay. Can you remember how to say, have you got time? Well, am agat. I'm thirsty. Ta tart orm. Would you like a pint? Rhaid pinta. I would. But why? Hey, my friend. Hey, my chara. Where's my pint? Cá bhfuil my phionta? I'm hungry. Tá ocras orm. Do you remember how to say restaurant? nDoire. Good. Would you like to go to the restaurant with me? Ar bhfuil leat go dtí nDoire liom? Good. Ask, would you like a burger? Ar bhfuil leat burger? I'd like a big burger. Bhfuil liom burger mór. Hey, my friend. Hey, my chara. Where's my burger? Cá bhfuil my bhurgar? Right. That'll do for now. There's links to the full playlist if you want to go back and look at any other lessons, and the next one should appear here somewhere. Okay. Slán.